Welcome to this Inno Plus presentation. This presentation is instruction on the commissioning and maintenance of Polo, Porpoise and Compo air scrubber systems produced by Inno Plus. Servicing dealer level. Clear all alarms. Get the system running as it should be. Firstly, record the client's details and record system details. Serial numbers, the amperage draw across the pump when running, pressure on the sprinkler line, pH and EC settings, volumes of water in and volumes of water out. Ensure in the panel that it is secure and sealed. Ensure that the incoming voltage is correct. Clean the filter. Sensors. Replace and calibrate the pH sensor. They are only good for 12 months. If only 6 months old, this can be recalibrated. Clean the EC sensor and confirm the reading when placed in a test fluid. Level floats. Remove, clean, test individually that each sensor creates the correct action within the system, and refit. Chemical system. Set each chemical pump on. Dose the pH manually. Does this react within a few seconds? Switch the system back to automatic. Allow the pump to pump for a maximum of 20 seconds. There should be a reaction in less than 1 minute. Anti-foam system. Set the anti-foam system on manually. Watch the input hose and check it is working. Switch back to automatic. This pump should have an auto instantaneous reaction. Check the sprinklers. Check all sprinklers are spraying clearly. Check the package is evenly wet and there are no dry spots. Remember to check the package for underneath as well. Data logging. Access data online. Ensure that data is being recorded live. Or, if an offline system, check that data is being saved to the SD card. Review the data. Is the system running smoothly? Has there been downtime? Have there been any issues where the system has been running outside of its normal parameters? Gas test. Measure for ammonia before and after the air scrubber. This is done in the pressure room and just above the sprinklers. Compare the readings to check how well the air scrubber is functioning. For further support, please contact us.